In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix lag and boost FPS in GTA 5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, once you're on GTA and you've loaded up, all you want to do is head on over to your settings and then just go to the settings tab. From here, all you want to do is firstly go over to keyboard and mouse, change your mouse input method to Windows. It's the most optimized. And then from here, once you've saved that, all you want to do is go over to graphics. Now, once you're in graphics, there's a few things you need to do. The first thing I want you to do is scroll down. You want to make sure your output adapter is your graphics card, which in my case is a 4090. Your refresh rate should be whatever your monitor is. So in my case, it's a 540 Hertz monitor. So I'm going to put it as 500, which is the highest setting available on GTA 5. Now, once that's done, you don't want a frame rate limit and you want to always turn VSync off. You never want to have it on. NVIDIA Reflex, I would always recommend having on with boost. It just makes things a lot better. And then, you can change your graphics how you want. If, your graphics are, like if you're stuttering or anything like that, you can always turn ray tracing off because, ray tracing does take up a lot of your FPS. So if you don't like that, then you can do that as well. And then as for shader quality, texture quality, things like that, you want to have those as the lowest possible if you want the most FPS. But I'm going to keep it as this because obviously it's going to make my game look as nice as possible. But obviously you can change it to however you need to. For example, extended shadows distance. If you want, if you don't want many shadows, you can turn off high resolution shadows as well. And then just make sure all of these settings down here in your graphics tab are just, turned down to low. Obviously mine are really high and ultra and stuff, but there's so many settings for them. You can turn them to normal and, the game will still look good. So, another big thing is when you right at the bottom where it says scene, population density, you can actually change the amount that the map is populated. So, if there's too many things happening on screen and you're losing FPS because of it, you can just turn this down. So, there's a lot of different things that you can do. And then once you've done all of this, you should restart your game, load back in, and then you should have a lot smoother of a experience on GTA 5.